Yes, I'll be live with Iyke Phelim here. Now I'm going to be spreading my compost all over my garden. This compost I got from the goat manure. You can check, you see very well. That's goat manure. So it's been sitting here for a long time. You can see that's pure black gold. Pure black gold. So now I'll be spreading it all over my garden as I prepare for the next planting session. So my son is going to help me with the camera now, help me hold the phone. So you're gonna see what I do and what I'm doing. Okay. So you can come closer so you see. You see, show them the compost. Yeah. So okay. No, that's gonna be shifting it onto the garden. Okay. Okay. So After spreading the compost, then I'll open the water system so the whole thing gets wet. Then after like a week or so, we're going to till the whole land, till it very well before we start planting. So I'll show you the water system. Our sprinkler sprinkles the whole place, getting ready for the next planting season, planting session. Okay, so this is okay like this for now. Now I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna come here now and switch on the sprinkler. So hobby life with Iyke Phelim. Please like, subscribe, share, and have a nice day. I need to leave here because I'm getting wet by the sprinkler. Bye-bye.